Quick OTD. Top from Mr. Price. Skirt from Shein. From Vans. The Price. Shein. All Star. Hey guys, welcome back again to my vlog. I am going to Dragon City, so I'm getting ready. Hey my girl, Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Matapele Tengamrajani to those who do not know me, and if you want to know me better, you can simply subscribe onto my channel for you to get to know me. And to my returning subscribers, what's up? What I do, Tayys? Thank you guys for stopping back by again, and I really do much appreciate you supporting everything. Today's the new day. Got few things right at Dragon City, so I said I must just show you guys a haul. And then yeah, because I couldn't, is all. I was damn tired. Oh, I was tired. So yeah, well, others do know. For those who do not know, I'm plugging y'all. As a beginner, I'm actually learning how to install, so I decided to go get some stuffs for myself. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you the ones that I bought in Jersey. I bought them as a bulk, so it was 350. I don't know the prices as individual, but I'm gonna show you guys, and then I'm gonna tell you prices with the one that I bought at Discount and as well as clicks. So stick by so I can show you and plug y'all. On the 350 packaging I bought from Jersey, this is what I got: the Ghost Bond Glue Remover, the glue, X, a hot comb, the wig cap. It's a band that holds it to be tight, and as well as this comb I bought in clicks. This, it was like 50 bucks, 30 rands. It was 50 rands, if not 60. I also bought it in Discam. It was 50, if not 60 as well, I'm not sure. And then the one I bought in clicks, it was 106 rands. Yeah, I just regret why I bought it, but it's okay. It's still gonna help me with my braids. Yeah, so that's my haul. Today it's cold, but the sky looks beautiful. Like, it is actually cold today. I think the weather is actually changing. I just came to say it's cold while the weather decided to change. Yeah.
I've died at least 7 times. I rise on the 3rd day every time. Soul, every soul set on fire. My soul set free, sunshine. I own nothing. I own nothing. You own nothing. And now the sun sets on Sierras. The air is my home. The water is my balance. The earth is where I roam. But my head is in the galaxies. I'm going. Coming in hot. 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 I'm a free spirit. You can't kill me.
I just doubt I'm just gonna have to film much this week, which I think I'm gonna drop 2 weeks after, because I'm just not okay. Like, nobody deserves whatever that I am actually going through, so I wouldn't wish that upon anyone, even the person that doesn't like me, because I don't have haters. If you hate me, you are hating alone, because I ain't got no haters, child. So yeah, I'll then do assumptions about me video, and then that's the only thing that is actually going to be me and you type of thing that we're gonna do, which I think is gonna be uploaded on Sunday. I'm not quite sure, but I think that's gonna be me and you right now, because I have a lot to do and I'm going through shitty things. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and please do not dwell onto negative things.